What's up guys, it's me, Psycho Michael here, back in another video. And today's video is going to be day, let's go see, 9 of Camaro Restorations on my dad's 1972 Camaro RS. Pretty fun today. We did a lot of mechanical / cosmetic stuff. So a good mix in between the two. I hope you guys enjoy it, so let's get fixing. So right now we're cutting this screw because we messed up. You good?
I got a spark in my eye. More than halfway. Saw some smoke. Come on, make sure nothing's burning.
Nothing's burning in there.
Ah!
Yeah, watch out. There we go.
Oh, it's not off yet.
Yeah.
Let's see if I can bend it a little bit. Hell no. Show my foot, okay? Chewing this thing up. Things are like reinforced steel or something, really hard. Okay, should be good. All right.
Was it not hot?
Huh?
Was it hot?
I'm just doing it real fast.
Oh, okay.
I'm not like, look, it's so, ah!
Like that one day.
Yeah, well, that was different.
That was really, really hot. Getting the door handle on now. Little rod that they have to put, he has to put in that hole right there. And then when you open it, it pulls it, which opens this. Just a little bit tedious, and that's it.
See, now it's flush. It wasn't flush before.
Oh, that works. That's good.
Okay.
Well, we got everything in.
Yep. See if it opens. It wouldn't open from the inside, right?
No, it doesn't.
Huh?
It doesn't.
Oh, because it's locked.
There we go.
Hey,
Yeah.
smart.
Yeah. I was saying, damn, we have to take all that
Used to
apart.
those modern cars that you pull it and it unlocks by itself. Okay, so we had to add, this is 2 pieces here. So we had to put these in. We got them screwed in, and now we got to get this this rubber underneath the lip there so that it stays put. Michael's looking at my bald spot or something, I don't know.
I thought I was going to say something else that started with the P.
Okay, so there's a lip on the back side too. So that part now. This part should go here, and we need a. I don't think it goes under there.
Yeah, it's a big stretch. Good. Or I could just, let me check on the other side.
This right?
Yeah.
You still recording?
Yep.
Dropped it.
Old bit.
Dropped it again. Almost stayed down. Now this one, we'll do the self-tapper, and then we'll pull it out, and then use the black one, so it looks nice. Christ. Dude, I can't. You got another hand. Help me hold it.
There you go.
Got it.
You look like an Undertaker.
What?
You're like...
And you unplug the heater, by the way.
Sorry, I'm just... My massive
So-
legs.
I mean, for now, this is done until we get the...
Silver thing.
For now, this is done until we... Well, I ordered some more of these, and then the bezel. So that should be coming actually tomorrow. And then I got to figure out what the padding is on here and order that on the side of the door. Then we'll be good. And this side will be done. So next we got to do the other side.
Then the electrical.
Yeah. Once these are done, we'll start the electrical.
We're in the car now. This is the finished door side right here. Basically finished. We're just missing a little silver part right there. Let's see right there. All nice. This is the driver's side, not finished at all. The outside. Right here, you can see how it's kind of not that good. Or almost done. This is the side over here. Yeah, he's gout, and he's getting trapped by some tape.
Ah! The white tape!
This side. Yeah, I think it looks better with this black stuff underneath it too.
Yeah. Looks good. A little extra here.
So yeah.
Not bad for a guy that doesn't know anything. Two guys that don't know anything.
You know that... It's expensive. That's like 50 cents.
You guys should have seen me. He said I couldn't take it top off. And I squeezed it so hard it like exploded, dude. Like there's pieces of it everywhere. Right there.
If you want to know, he's taking steroids right now.
I am taking steroids right now for my knee. So that may have helped. A little bit. Nah, it's just me, bro. Paint on my skin. Never hurt nobody.
You probably do this at the shops.
Huh?
Probably do this at the shops, like when you get your car painted.
Okay. Let's take this inside and put it on some newspaper or something first.
Is this just the first coat?
Yeah, and we'll let it dry a little bit.
So
And
you
then come
missed
back.
right there.
No, it's okay. I'll come back and do it. Okay. Yeah, because it won't dry out here. It's too cold. It's kind of hard to get on there. Oh, I got it. Cool. That's it, like that. So when you put it on the door, you just click like that. It'll go over these and lock in. Nice and easy. Ready?
Yep.
Click. That's it. Oh. The heck? Okay. It's a little loose. I might buy some other ones that are thicker. It doesn't feel like it's on there right. All right, so we're gonna cut this a little bit because when you get it all the way on, there's still some of this red part sticking out. So I think it would take 1/2 inch. It'll just be like that all the time.
Yeah.
That's the way we want it. So, okay, we'll just use this.
Yeah, because there's a lot of thread.
Yeah, there's a lot.
Don't hit the body. Should you turn it off?
Ah! No! That should do it. Oh, my assistant can't handle stuff. And I'm gonna grab a hot piece of metal.
Oh.
What are you doing, weirdo?
Good quad workout.
Oh, jeez, dude. It pulled it right out. Your goose sucks, dude.
Dude, it hasn't been 72 hours.
What? All right, give me some more.
Did I not tell you that?
You said it was good to go, dude.
Well, I thought it was good to go. I pushed on it. It didn't move. Just piping it in there. So far, this is the best restorations. I'm kidding. This is the best restorations thing that we have on my channel. Oops. Remember the Tahoe one?
Give me a towel. Chop that. What about Tahoe?
No, remember when we fixed the Tahoe, or we did some stuff?
Yeah.
And I recorded it, and it was like part 1 of Tahoe restorations. Part 2, we sold the Tahoe.
Just fixing it enough to sell it. Okay, so we'll leave that 72 hours, Michael says.
Instructions, Spanish. Test small area. Allow 24 hours for curing. Maximum bond strength may not be reached for up to 72 hours.
Okay.
Probla el producto en un area peña anus.
All right, it's on there.
Anus, de user.
So we could probably do the same to this side. Might as well do it. Half an inch. Take half an inch off.
Pour 24 Jorge's. I can't read. What?
So we got, so look at this one.
Yeah.
Oh no, it is on there. So me just thinking, right? This center one, I have a feeling that's supposed to actually go back here and push this way. It's pretty fine.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. As I said, a lot of mechanical / cosmetic stuff. Next video, I'm not sure what we're going to do, but, we'll see. So yeah, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys again next time.